right, it's time to talk about some equilibrium dice. I'm Dr. Brad Neal. This is
Dr. David Stiers Barnett.
who's extremely happy. Okay, let's talk about dice. So you're gonna go onto the ACE site and you're gonna download the file. It's the file. It's there on ACE. Look in Lab Lessons. You'll find it. It'll be great. Trust me. There's going to be 2 of them, and I already downloaded them. And we're going to first open we're going to open up the template. And when the template pops up, it's going to have this little thing here that's going to say something like, it's password protected. That's cool. Just hit the read only button, please. All right, you're going to get something that then looks like this. Okay, you're not going to have the weird bucket above your head, but we do. It'll make sense. You've got the template now over here on the side. Please note down here at the bottom, down that other way, whichever, you have 6 and 8, 6, 10, 6, 12, etc. Because you're going to be determining the equilibrium for all of these different dice. So,
Yes.
Dr. Stiers Barnett, how does this work?
Well, so what you do is you can start with any 2 bags of dice. We picked for this video the 6-sided dice. Where are they? There they are. 6-sided. The normal looking dice. And because they look very distinct, the 12-sided dice.
So I'm going to go ahead now here in the sheet, and I'm going to go 6 and 12, and now I click on that. Okay, cool.
And what you do, we're going to use our bucket now. You start out with the smaller number of sides on your dice. So for us, we have 6 and 12. We're going to start with the 6-sided die. And you'll notice that it's already pre-built into the template that we're starting 6-sided die with 20.
Yeah.
Just like kinetics before, you have 20 die, all the same kind. We'll take all those out of the bag.
Enjoy that crinkling sound, folks.
Oh yeah.
It's delicious.
Shake them up, drop them, or roll and look for ones. Let's see.
Oh, hey, we got
have
lucky.
some ones.
Yeah, luck's a lady tonight.
There's
So
several in there actually. So let's count up how many ones we've got. We've got 1,
2,
2,
3,
yeah, 3. Are there more?
4,
Yes. 5.
5.
Okay, so we had 5 of our 600 dice roll of 1. If this
Okay.
were kinetics, we'd just take them out and we'd roll again and we'd move on like we did before.
This ain't no kinetics.
This ain't no kinetics. So instead, we are going to take 5 of our other kind of dice. Those would be the.
Whoa, wait, what do I do with this thing?
Nothing yet.
No, oh, okay, never mind, sorry.
So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We're replacing the 6-sided die with the 12-sided die.
So I have 20 die all the time.
So you have 20 die all the time.
Okay,
So now we're ready to start our second roll. So before we start the second roll, we're going to type into our spreadsheet.
okay, what do I type?
How many 6-sided die do we have left? That'd be 20 minus 5, 15.
In most countries.
In most countries. And then since we always add up to 20 die, it's
Oh,
very
yeah,
easy
yeah.
to figure out how
Yeah,
many
yeah.
of our other we have. That would be 5.
Oh, hey, look, the graph's doing
That's
things.
right. The graph will auto-populate as we go, so
Okay.
it can show you when you reach equilibrium.
Okay.
But it'll be pretty noisy because there's like one trial.
Oh, yeah, we're going to have a whole lab of dice going.
Oh, it's going to be fun.
All right.
So now we got this. We roll them again.
Good graphics.
Okay. Like that?
Yeah, I do.
All right. Now let's see. Did we get any ones from either kind of dice? I
oh.
see a 6-sided
Okay.
die. There's 1. I want 2 of those.
Uh-huh.
12-sided die. No dice.
I see what you did there. I see what you did
So
there.
we lost 2 more of our 6-sided die. We're going to throw in 2 more 12-sided die.
Okay, so now I've got 13. Haha, look at me do math.
13.
And I got 7.
And 7. All right. Keep going. Come on, ones.
Really? All right.
Maybe the 12-sided wasn't the right choice here.
It'll be great.
We got 1. 11 doesn't count. 2. I think that's it.
Okay.
2 more 6 go away, 2 more 12 win. So far we haven't seen anything super exciting yet.
No.
But we are getting closer to equilibrium. Notice
Okay.
that
Oh yeah, look at these. The things they're approaching.
they're approaching, but they're not trying to equal each other. That is not what equilibrium is about, right?
That's right. Read your manual, please.
All right, keep going. Let's see if we can get some ones. So close, it's a 7. I got another one of these, another one of those. All right then, 2 more 6s going away. It's live TV, folks.
Thanks for the wonderful
Well, 1, 2. It looks like it. All right.
All right. So we could theoretically. Oh,
We
look at
could-
that! I tried to like autofill. Thanks, autofill. No, 13. Thanks. There you go. So we could continue now and roll this as many times. How many times do we roll these?
30.
30. Okay, so I stop after 30 rolls no matter what.
Yeah, and it's built right in there in the template.
Oh yeah. look at
30
that.
rolls.
Yeah, I gotta
Done.
stop at 30. Okay, so after I do that a bunch, we're gonna skip to the. I'm gonna be able to get some data out.
Yep.
That's gonna look something like this.
Well, it'll look more like
It'll look like
that.
this thing that you can't see. This. So I will have created a graph that's gonna have a whole bunch of data points on it.
Yes, it will probably not be that nice and smooth. It'll probably be much noisier.
Okay. But how do we get rid of the noise?
We're going to wait till next week to get rid of the noise.
Okay, so week 2 we're gonna do the data processing of it.
Yes, just like kinetics.
Okay, and so then, but week 1, this is the thing that I'm going to do. I'm going to collect data now for the for the 6 to 8, the 6 to 10, to 6 to 12, to 8 to 10, to 8 to 12, to 10 to 12.
All of the little tabs down there.
Okay, so I've just got to do 30 trials for those,
And
punch
then,
it
yep.
in, and there's an Google Sheet that you will have a link to that you can upload all of this data to.
Copy and paste.
Copy and paste it in there. It's going to be great. Thank you very much for watching. Hopefully this will help with doing the experiment, and then you'll be talking with your instructor and maybe another video about more of the data processing here in the future. Thanks, folks.
Can't see my way. Oh, well.
That was a scream.
Oh my